do videos on style and fashion, and beauty content, anything beauty related. So if you like videos like that, please don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss any videos from me. And let's get started. Now, I don't know how this is gonna turn out. As I said, I haven't worn a red lip in a while, so hopefully I still know how to do my blush eye combination so that it matched the red lips. So the first thing I'm going to do is, I've already prepped my skin with all of my face routine. I'm going to spray a little bit of MAC Fix Prep and Prime. I am going to put some foundation on. This is El Maquillage 230 Woke Up Like This. It has a pump, which I love. I'm just going to put a couple of pump on the back of my hands using my damp beauty blender. I'm going to just start. While I let one layer of that kind of dry, I am going to prep my lip for those red lip. I did scrub my lip, but I'm going to just, I really love it. I'm going to put another half a pump. And again, using my beauty blender, just work that into the skin. And I do this kind of pounce rolling motion. I just think it tends to blend into my skin better when I do it like that. Alright, so this is the foundation. I'm gonna use the El Maquillage fucking Flawless Multi-Purpose Perfecting Concealer. I love this concealer. The name leaves a little bit to be desired, but yeah. And then I'm gonna just bring it down here. And I tend to let this set just a little bit so it does give me lots of coverage. And while this is setting, let's do the eyebrow. I'm going to use, this is like a beauty store eyebrow pencil. It's called Canna. There we go. And then we're gonna use, bear with me, Laura Mercier Secret Brightening Powder in number 1. And usually I would do this part second, but I'm not gonna do a lot to the eye. That's gonna fall out. The only thing I'm going to use is this, oh, it's filthy. Give me a second. The NARS Galapagos eyeshadow. And it looks like this. Hopefully you can see it. It has a little bit of shimmer, but it is a very deep brown. I'm just gonna put a little bit of this with my finger on the eye. Doesn't have a lot of fallout. And as you can see, it's a deep brown. It's just a foundation that I need a little bit of to do my eyeliner, which I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I'm horrible at. I'm horrible at doing my eyeliner. I have not mastered it. I use the That's the Point NYX Professional Makeup eyeliner. I think, and I don't know if you can see the point. So it's really easy to use, and excuse me. Yep. Now for mascara. I'm going to use Maybelline the Falsies Volume Express. I'll let that first coat dry. And then for the lip. So these two in combination. So Nightingale is going to go to the edge. Kind of purpley. And I don't overline my lip, just because my lips are already very full, in my opinion anyway. So I don't overline them at all. And I find this method really let my lip liner last and my lipstick to last. And the lipstick I'm gonna use is Ruby Roo, and that's a matte lipstick if anybody knows or has used it. And I fill my lip in with cherry. Kind of get it together. And then my big thing of Ruby Woo, I had to toss it because it was super old. And then I didn't want to buy the big version because I didn't know if I was going to be using it as often as I used to in the past. So I got MAC make these little mini ones. It's a pretty decent size. So now I'm gonna be honest. Not bad. Not bad at all. For blush, we're gonna do Lovejoy. True MAC, favorite of mine. And it has this kind of purplish golden hue. And a little goes a long way. I'm gonna put that in the hairline. I'm going to contour with MAC's Sketch. It's a powder. It runs really kind of maroon purpley Merlot color, and I'm going to use that with an e.l.f. angle brush. And again, this, a little bit goes a long way also. And use a little bit of Lovejoy near my Cupid brow. Finish everything off with a little bit of and that is the look. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe, and everything that I've used will be linked down below. Please leave me a comment. Let me know what you think of this look. Is it a yes for me or no? I kind of like it, but who knows? Would love to hear your opinions. Yeah, and that's about it. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.